All right, hello friends. We're here in Destin, Florida, down at the Okaloosa Island Pier, and we're a little bummed because here we are in Destin, and it has literally been raining for about the past 4 straight days. Now, people from literally all over the southeast of the United States come to visit this area, and you know, it's kind of a bummer if you come down here and you're looking forward to your beach vacation and it rains the whole time you're here. Even though today's forecast says it's about a 70 or 80% chance of rain, as you can see, people are out here on the beach because it's not raining right now, although there's a lot of ugly looking clouds in the distance. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't be prepared for the rainy days that do happen here in Destin. And so in today's video, we're going to show you some of the fun things to do here in Destin, Florida on a rainy day. Our first stop for adventures here in Destin, Florida on a rainy day is the Gulfarium Marine Adventure Park here on Okaloosa Island. While not all of Gulfarium's attractions are indoors, they still do a lot of the animal counters and shows even when it rains outside, and most of the areas are covered, so you can get out of the rain and come here and have a good day. We're here on the Gulfarium's website to show you just what their prices are. They're actually not too bad. If you're out of town, the prices are a little bit higher, but as you can see, the Florida residents get a slight discount, a 20% discount, and the military has a nice little discount as well. All right, we're at our next spot here in Destin for things to do on a rainy day, the Urban Air Trampoline and Adventure Park. As you can see, this is a pretty fun place. They've got all kinds of things to do. I'm going to put on the screen here real quick just the prices so you can have an idea of what they charge. It's a little more expensive than most trampoline parks that I've seen nowadays, but they do offer quite a few other things like a ninja course and a sky flyer and laser tag and all kinds of fun stuff. So it's a pretty neat place to come if you're here in Destin on a rainy day. All right, that's it for our number 2 spot of some fun places to go here in Destin, Florida on a rainy day. We're going to head on to number 3, but before we do, if you're liking our content so far on our channel, go ahead and go down to the bottom of this video and subscribe. We'd love to have you in our family and love to be able to show you all the fun things we do together and all the fun places to visit. All right, we're outside of another place that we enjoy here in Destin on a rainy day. That's Fat Daddy's Arcade and Fudpuckers restaurant right next door. Now, it's about 11:15 in the morning and the Fudpuckers restaurant is already open, so you can go in there and have a meal, go and look at the alligators. The Fat Daddy's Arcade is actually not open yet. They don't open till noon, so if it is raining early in the morning, you have to wait till 12 o'clock to get in there, at least right now. And then actually next door at the Sensations beach store, they've got laser tag upstairs. So these 3 places right next door to each other are a fun place to come if it's raining outside. So even though some of this area is outdoors, you can go over here underneath the pavilion and get some gator bites and actually go feed the alligators. There's some people doing that right now, and you don't have to actually be out in the rain to do that. Well, as you can see, this Fudpuckers Fat Daddy's arcade area is a pretty fun place to come and visit if you're in Destin and it's raining. All right, let's go on to our next spot. All right, another fun place to do here in Destin on a rainy day is to go bowling. Now, I used to go bowling when I was a little kid, and it was just a fun activity to do when I was growing up and didn't have much to do outside. I'm currently at Hurricane Lanes here in Destin, Florida. And as you can see, they've got 26 lanes, pretty good size area. They've got an arcade, pool tables, a actual sports bar, and a little cafe where you can get some things to eat. Now, one of the fun things that Hurricane Lanes has is a late night bowling on Fridays, Saturdays, and Monday nights. Starts at 10 o'clock and goes all the way to 2 a.m. It's only 15 bucks for unlimited bowling and your shoes, so it's an outstanding deal. There's also another bowling alley here in town that's popular with all the visitors, and that's the Uncle Buck's Fishbowl and Grill here at the Destin Commons. Cool spot here in Uncle Buck's Fishbowl is the little lounge area behind the bar where they have a couple tables that you can sit at and eat, but they also have some classic video games like Centipede, Galaga, Pac-Man. They even have some classic pinball machines over here, like this Star Wars pinball machine. Pretty cool place to come hang out. All right, well, as you can see, Uncle Buck's is a pretty cool place to come on a rainy day. It is a little more pricier than Hurricane Lanes, but the atmosphere is pretty cool in here. It's fun. The kids would definitely love it for sure. All right, well, our next spot to come on a rainy day is right here in the heart of Destin, the Destin Commons. Well, if it's an ugly day out for the beach, the Destin Commons is a premier shopping destination for people to be able to come to and have a fun day. Now, while a lot of the area here is outdoors, most of the stores have awnings over them where people can get out of the rain. But it's just a fun thing to do if you're in the area. They have all the major retailers here at this shopping mall, and they even have an AMC movie theater, a nice little playground for the kids to play in, splash pad. Definitely has a lot to offer the family if you're looking for something to do on a rainy day. There's also another shopping destination here in the Destin area, the Silver Sands Premium Outlet Mall. Well, look at that. It turned out to be a nice day after all. And that's the way the weather goes around here. They can forecast a bunch of rain, and it might only rain for a couple of hours and then it's gone. So I hope you enjoyed today's video showing you some of the fun things you can do around Destin if it does happen to rain while you're here on vacation. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for watching Butler Family Adventures.
Thank you.